Hello, and welcome to Clue. Today, we have Kalle Silvander from Konecranes with us to discuss how Konecranes uses Clue for training purposes. Kalle, could you tell us a little bit more about this space?
Absolutely. This is Konecranes branded workshop space in Glue, where our employees can learn more about the S-Series hoist.
Sounds interesting. Could you show us how the training works in practice?
Sure, let me take you downstairs to the training. This is the virtual learning for the S-Series hoist. First, our trainees go through the exercise instructions, and then they examine the model to complete the exercises to deepen their knowledge.
That's excellent. How has this virtual training improved your learning outcomes?
Well, we noticed that the 3D visualization creates better understanding how the hoist works, and also the people is more engaged and focused to the subject during the training.
That's awesome. Thanks, Kalle.
Thank you.
And that's Glue in action with Konecranes.